We'll try and get some reactions from the fans. Come on this side. Come this side. But don't shake. Come. We're live. So there are loads of fans here. What we're going to be. Okay, you have to be this side. You'll have to be this side. I'll just step back a bit so that all of you are visible. So please, just please step back. Yeah, you'll have to come that side. You can't shake this. Just come to India. One by one. What did you enjoy the most in the game today?
Varun Chakravarti, Ashwin said yesterday on his show that he will be the trump card for India. He got 5. That's first trump card. And the next one will be Rohit and Kohli will be waiting. We'll get them in finals.
Shreyas Iyer as well. Shreyas Iyer was brilliant. You know, we could not have set up this kind of total without Shreyas' contribution. And Varun Chakravarti 2.0. Remember this ground, same ground in 2021 World Cup. When Salman Butt say that we can find this kind of spin bowler every street in Pakistan, remember that?
Yes.
Yeah, and Varun Chakravarti doing that kind of comeback, you know, taking 5 wickets all. Fantastic effort actually, you know.
Shreyas Iyer and Varun, amazing performance from both. Varun New Zealand was supposed to chase him, but he just took 5 wickets. Amazing.
Okay, let me get a young fan as well. What did you enjoy the most?
Hardik Pandya played a wonderful knock, which was very helpful.
Okay.
If he would get out early, New Zealand may win.
Okay, good point. Hardik Pandya doing well. And what about India's bowling? Half in the middle of the innings, you thought they'll win?
Chakravarti and also Shami bowled good, even though he did not get that many wickets.
Okay.
Next one, Pandya should trust Shami as well a little bit more. I think he didn't run like 5-6 runs. He should trust Shami more, but Pandya, yeah.
Okay.
Kudos to Varun Chakravarti, but I would like to say Akshar Patel, the catch what he took, he gave a very good start, and from that the momentum of the game started leading towards our side. So I think Indian team today proved that we as a bunch of team, we are the wonderful players, and this year Champions Trophy is ours. India,
This is Rocco's trophy.
Yeah,
I would say also.
This is Rocco's trophy. This is the last one with together.
Why are you saying last one? They could be there 2027 World Cup.
I wish, but you know the situation in India and the political games happen across the country.
Okay.
It will be the last one, but they should go with the shining colors.
Okay.
I think they can beat. We can beat Australia as well on this pitch. On this pitch, the spinning track is very low. I don't think actually Australia will be able to play these kind of quality spinners. You know, I think India has got edge.
Okay, you think India's got edge. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. They all are here at the Dubai International Stadium. They all enjoyed the game here.